Hi friends, welcome back. In my Google Sheets tutorial, today I am going to discuss two most important functions of Google Sheets, and those are query function and the custom conditional formatting. In conditional formatting, I'll discuss the custom formula. So using query, I'll show you how to use the query function to display the data of particular group when we select the group from the drop down, and also using custom formula of conditional formatting I'll try to select those students who belong to the particular group. So let's move to our Google Sheet. So here this is the Google Sheet. This is the sheet of the students, and over here I'll try to discuss query and custom formula in conditional formatting. So what I want for that, I have created one sheet tab, that is the query custom formatting. So over here if you see, the first column is containing the houses, means this column will contain the drop down list, and whichever item I select from this drop down, the corresponding data of that particular group is displayed here in the form of the students list. So here houses, on the houses drop down, I'll create the drop down list using the custom formula or drop down. So see here, drop down, and I am going to take the name of the houses, here take over. So these four houses are, I have created a drop down this way. So if you see, drop down. Okay, now when I select any house from this drop down, the names of these students should be listed in the B column. So how to bring those data or those names from my this sheet, or select from this sheet, and to be displayed there on my this sheet on B column. So here I'll have to apply the query functions. So query function will check what I want. So from the entire data, I'll have to have only one column as output, and that column is the name of the students. Okay, so, or for whom? For this, for this house. So I apply equal sign, then apply query function, and I'll take the array, means the previous sheet. So this is my sheet, and I am taking the data from C to C2 to Z 41, and it should be in curly brackets. So this is my data source, comma. Now I am going to select or apply the query, SQL query. SQL query, you must know about SQL. The people who understand the SQL, might be knowing this query how to apply. So the first, this query should be in double quotes. Select what I want. I want the name of these students. So the name of these students, where are the name? Where are the names? So since I have selected from column C, so C, D, E means column number 3, where I want one, two, three. Where is the house? Let me check. 1, 2, 3. Excuse me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 means on column 10, where call 10 is equal to single quotes, double quotes, then ampersand, then this cell, then close the ampersand, then close double quote, comma, 0. So this should be, there is no header at all, and that is why I used this. And call 3. Let me check what is the problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Call 11 is the house name. So this way, so when I select any item from the drop down, the list of students of the corresponding house is listed here. So this way we can use query function. Now how to use the custom formula of conditional formatting? For that, what I am going to do here, I am going to select, I want to highlight those students who belong to the particular stream, maybe PCMCS, PCB IP, or PCMB. So suppose I am going to give here PCB IP. Okay. So if we come to this place, and suppose if I apply the condition, which condition? Stream is on column N. Column N is a stream. Okay, so I'll take column N. Is equal to N. I'll have to make this absolute or fix. N and 2. equal to this. Equal to this. So here it gives false. But if I apply this in my custom formula, it will not work because it takes the formula, not the string. So if you want to include a string here, you'll have to use double quotes to make this a string. Double quotes. Now I am going to copy this formula here. Copy and select the names and then click on format, conditional formatting. From format tools, I'll have to select custom formula is, and here I'll copy that. But it is not checking. It will not work. Why? Because now this is a string and this is not the formula. So to make it formula, I'll use indirect function. Indirect function, and now I can change the color of the cell and color of the character also. So, and say done. Now if you see, the students who belong to PCBIP are highlighted. PCBIP again, go to conditional formatting, format, conditional formatting. I'll have to take from E2 and done. Now they are the students from PCBIP. You see here, PCBIP and PCBIP. So only PCBIP students are highlighted. So this way we can apply query and conditional formula in conditional formatting all together on the same sheet. So hope you understood the query function and hope you understood the conditional formatting and custom formula of the conditional formatting. So if you understood the concept, kindly share with your friends and superiors. And if you like this video, kindly drop a comment in the comment box or the description box so that I'll be motivated and will create new scenarios with new functions and formulas. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.